Hi, I'm Amber, and I'm going to talk about the website National Archives, or archives.gov. The National Archives and Records Administration, NARA, is the nation's record keeper. Of all documents and materials created in the course of business conducted by the United States federal government, only 1 to 3% are so important for legal or historical reasons that they are kept by us forever. The website has over 11 million historical, government, and public records. Those valuable records are preserved and are available to you whether you want to see if they contain clues about your family history, need to prove a veteran's military service, or are researching a historical topic that interests you. The National Archives website has documents, photos, and records. It's a great resource for primary sources. One awesome site it has online exhibits. Here you can see their online exhibits. Let's check out the records of rights. Here you can see a timeline of documents. Oh, and then we're going to go into equal rights. Sorry. Here you're going to see a timeline of documents and photos telling the history of equal rights. Let's stop here and take a look at an advertisement showing women in the military. Here you can see the advertisement close up, and it also gives an awesome little synopsis of the background of the advertisement. There are no usage or restrictions to the website. I actually enjoy genealogy, and I was able to request my grandfather's entire military record from here. Let's look deeper into researching records. Here there is all kinds of information on how to research just about anything that the National Archives has in its database. You can research your ancestry, you can research military records, you can research a specific topic. Also up here it gives a lot of background information on how to use the National Archives catalog. A great place is some search tips if you're new to doing research. It really helps you pinpoint keywords and how to use quotation marks, using and, or, and then using the asterisks to kind of give you a search topic of anything that begins with BAL. Let's do a search on equal rights. When you do the search, all these different files come up. Here you can see there's over 73,000 results just by typing in equal rights in the search bar. And up here you can kind of narrow down what you're looking for exactly. If you're looking for a specific document, for a primary source, if you want to look at some images or even watch some videos on equal rights, you can find more specific items here. If you scroll down, you can see all the different things that they have for searching. The site is easy to use and has historical and some more recent items. One of my favorite items is the educators resources. Here there's all kinds of different resources for educators, but one thing I like for students to use is the DocsTeach. At this area here, just like it says, it will bring history to life. You can explore primary source documents. So let's say you were doing a project on the Revolution, or you're in a chapter learning about the Revolutionary War. You can just click here and it shows you all different kinds of documents from that period. That's kind of cool here is the entrenchments of His Majesty's forces. And here you can zoom in and actually it'll tell you the references for the letters and what kind of armament they had there. So let's take, for example, this B, blockhouse for the cannon, and you can go over here and see here was where the cannon was at in Boston during the Revolutionary War. I hope you enjoyed my rundown on just some of the great tools that are available on the National Archive site. Thank you.